How to troubleshoot not sending or receiving SMS text messages on an LG phone. Most messaging issues are caused by network connectivity issues or by application issues. The easiest to troubleshoot are application issues. To troubleshoot application issues for messaging, go to Settings, then tap on Apps and Notifications, and tap on App Info. Scroll down and tap on the name of the messaging app you are using. The LG default is called Messages. Tap on Storage, then tap on Clear Data. Tap on OK. After that, try to send and receive a message in the application again. If that doesn't work, then restart the phone. If restarting the phone doesn't work, you'll need to troubleshoot network issues. To do this, first check the signal strength on your phone. It should show at least 1 bar. Then turn airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds, then turn airplane mode off. Now try to send and receive a message again. If messaging is still not working, then reset the network settings. Go to Settings, tap System, tap on Restart and Reset. Tap on Network Settings Reset, then tap on Reset Settings. Then tap Reset Settings again. Note that doing this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and paired Bluetooth devices. You will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth manually after this. If a network settings reset does not resolve the issue, then please contact your carrier for assistance. If your carrier's assistance did not resolve the issue, then we recommend completing a factory data reset. Watch our how-to video linked in the description. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.